Hi guys, Dean Doyle from Classic Magic. We said we're going to update you throughout these jobs today. Oh shit. Never mind, you're on the floor. We're going to update you through these jobs today. Now this is a pathfinder. I'll just turn this around for you. So this is a pathfinder we had in this morning. If you remember, it had quite a nasty sort of kink on the back panel here. It had been reversed into the post. The bumper's now off, and obviously we're going to start welding it up. Now when we actually took the bumper off, we noticed all the damage really was on this structural part down below here, because this had all basically been shoved forward and into the car, which had basically dragged this corner of the panel inwards, which is why it was so buckled out. So what we actually had to do, we had to think on our feet, because we don't have a full jig or anything like that here. We've basically got an old towing hook here, which we've actually welded onto the chassis, so that's nice and strong. And then using one of the big sort of posts that we've got here, we've put a chain around it and a ratchet, and we've just gently used the weight of the vehicle and the ratchet to actually pull this panel back into where it's meant to be here. A little bit just to kind of pull out still, but it's actually nudged the whole lot out. So if, as a comparison, if we put the light back in and we compare it to how it was this morning, you can see now that whole massive kink that was all the way down there is now gone. Now in pulling that out, what we have to do is release the pressure here as well. So effectively what you're doing is you're pulling that way and you're tapping it in slightly here, and that just allows the metal to kind of go back to its memory really and straighten back out again. So there we go, a little update on the Pathfinder. Obviously we'll update you a bit more when we get it all sort of tarted up and filled and everything else, so you can see exactly where we're going with it. So stay tuned and we'll show you the next level of shittiness.